Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shift and Throttle. Today we are going to review the all new Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. This is the BS6 version of the bike, and let's ride and find out how far does it go, and we will give you the complete review of this bike. So wait till the end and watch till the end. Let's stop and look at how the bike looks and feels. The bike looks really good as it is a new retro bike, and it gives you the old school charm and the modern look that you are hoping for, as it has all the halogen headlamps, no LED at all, and it has the twin barrel exhaust at the back, which look really amazing and give the bike a characteristic of being a little more muscular. And gauges are also all analog, and you only get a digital odometer and a fuel meter, and everything else is analog, which gives it the old school charm which the bike thrives on. So let's check the top speed of this bike. Now talking about the performance on the bike that has to offer. As you saw in the top speed and acceleration test, that the bike rises to acceleration and top speed really fast, and it does thrilling speed for the bike of this size. And the engine which is producing so much power is a 648cc parallel twin motor, which is a 4-stroke engine that produces 47 bhp of power at 7250 rpm and 52 Newton meters of torque at 5250 rpm, which gives it ample amount of power to squeeze the engine and give you all the power you need. And I know this is not a lot for a 650cc bike, but at the price range which the bike is offering you this much power, you don't need the power, you basically enjoy the torque, as the 52 Newton meters of torque really helps you in touring. And guys, forget not that Royal Enfield builds touring machines, and this is a perfect tourer, as you can go on long rides, as the torque is all you need, especially when you are riding on mountains or in high gears or low gears, because it will easily pull in third or fourth gear without a hitch, because the torque is massive, really massive for a bike of this size. As you can see, the twin exhaust really smashing, and they sound also very good. They are throaty, and you don't need an aftermarket exhaust, basically. And this bike is just awesome. And halogen headlamps at the front, and tail light and twin indicators. And as you can see, everyone is nice. So I'm really tired.
So these are Pirelli tires are really good because they are giving me awesome grip. Because I was around 175 and this bike was bashing, and this bike was going really fast. And it has 100 by 90 section front tire and around I think 150 section or 160 section tire at the rear. Everything about this bike is really awesome, and the suspension is also very good. If you are planning to buy for traveling, this is the perfect bike for you. So let's see what it does. Let's do a second small run and see what the bike is capable of.
So after all this review, the big question remains, should you consider this bike, buy this bike or shortlist it? If you are a mature person and you have a bit of a hooligan inside you, then you would like this bike. But if you have a lot of hooligan inside you, then I would suggest to go for a KTM Duke 390 or an RC 390, because those bikes are made for hooliganism. This bike is made for a mature rider who wants to go on touring and also wants a bit of hooliganism. Then this bike is a perfect match for you, because no one can beat this bike in touring at this range, because it has zero vibrations and you will only feel the vibration once you go above 170. And I think that is because of the tires, because they have Pirelli tires, but these are basically not alloy tires, so it has a bit of a problem. As I've talked to the owner and he told me that this is a bit of a problem after 170, but you are not going to go above 170, because talking about Indian roads, I don't think 170 is a safe speed to go on, and you should not be like me, crazy like me, to go above 170 on expressway and all. I think 140 is enough, and for touring this bike is great. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. And please consider subscribing to the channel, as we do all kinds of video, bike reviews, car reviews, vlogs, and also some kind of hooliganism. So please follow us and subscribe us, and also check out our Instagram channel for daily updates. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.